Good day, Mrs. Mshlanga. My name is Kaylisha Modli, student number 202672, and today I will be presenting a video on how studying history in line with the South African CAPS document helps us approach diversity in South African schools. A powerful quote by Carl Sagan stated that you have to know the past to understand the present. History allows us to understand who we are and why we are the way we are. History in education can be noted as a discovery project. The process of learning history is a cognitive process that adds to the knowledge of learners, which allows them to know what happened in the past with no reference to their present lives. The study of history helps shape a learner's worldviews. According to the Department of Basic Education, the aims of teaching history are to promote an interest in and the enjoyment of the study of the past, imparting knowledge, understanding, and appreciation of the past. This can be done through the use of second-order concepts, namely empathy, multi-perspectivity, and heritage. When engaging with history, empathy plays a crucial role in helping us make sense of our surroundings. This also includes diversity. By understanding and empathizing with the experiences, struggles, and triumphs of the individuals in the past, we can develop a deeper understanding of the present diversity in our schools. Empathy allows us to connect with the people who lived during different historical periods, exposing us to their perspectives and circumstances. By examining history through an empathetic eye, we can gain insight into the diverse cultures, religions, traditions, and experiences that have shaped our present day society. When it comes to school diversity, empathizing with the historical experiences becomes very important. By studying the struggles and contributions of those who have fought for equality and inclusivity in education, we can better appreciate the importance of diversity in our schools. Empathy is known to be separated into three parts, namely the head, which is the intellectual thought of empathy, the heart, which is the feeling that you feel when others feel something, and the hand, which is the empathetic action taken. Empathy can be shown in a classroom when a teacher would try to understand why and how a child feels the way they do instead of being upset and defensive with them. Multi-perspectivity is the practice of taking into account multiple perspectives, multiple viewpoints, and interpretations when examining and understanding historical events. When engaging with history using multi-perspectivity as an approach, we are able to develop a more comprehensive understanding of the past. Applying multi-perspectivity to the study of history can be valuable when it comes to making sense of our surroundings, such as school diversity. By considering different perspectives, we gain a better understanding of the historical factors that have shaped school diversity today. By recognizing diverse perspectives on the historical struggle for equal education, we can address different current challenges related to school diversity. A typical example of multi-perspectivity in a classroom is when the teacher includes the practice of primary and secondary sources to offer an informed picture of historical events. This can be done whilst teaching the topic Our Country in Grade 2, Term 4. Learners can explore different aspects of why South Africa is the way it is. Heritage plays a crucial role in engaging with history as it helps us to understand our cultural roots and the historical factors that have shaped our surroundings, including school diversity. Examining heritage enables us to appreciate the diverse backgrounds and experiences of individuals and fostering a deeper understanding and respect for different cultures and their contributions. When it comes to school diversity, an understanding of heritage is essential for appreciating the various cultural groups that make up the learner body. By recognizing and valuing the heritage of different learners, we can create inclusive learning environments that celebrate diversity. For example, a school can celebrate Heritage Month. This will show learners the true essence of heritage through viewing the differences and similar interests on what makes them truly South African. During Heritage Month, learners will express their culture through dressing up, dance, and song. This will bring the learners closer together as they can learn about one another. Children who learn about different cultures during their education are encouraged to interact in a wider range of social groups and feel more confident in themselves. It is clear that by implementing the second order concepts, namely empathy, multi-perspectivity, and heritage, can be beneficial. It becomes possible to study history in the line of the CAPS document, which leads to diversity in schools through these concepts. Thank you.